have same travel inclination. Travel companies cannot necessarily provide services for the whole population, so it is a must that a promotion plan recognizes both characteristic of marketing. Kasi syempre, yung iba, or hindi pala iba. So syempre, magbe-base pa rin naman tayo dun sa survey natin in doing a certain package. Kasi nga sabi niya dito, if the plan assume that all people have the same travel inclination, why would you assume